Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the selectively permeable membrane which allows the entry and exit of the material from the cell. For example, we are having a cell and the other things are enclosed within that. For example, the cell has mitochondria, the cell has Golgi apparatus, the cell has nucleus. That is all inside the cell, and the outer covering, okay, this outer covering is called the plasma membrane. What is its function? Its function mainly is to protect the cell. First is to protect the cell, and the second thing, it is allows the entry and exit of the material, selective material, entry and exit of selective material from the cell. For example, if we are taking oxygen, okay, oxygen inside the cell, then it will goes to the cell with the from the semi-permeable membrane, okay, and this is called plasma membrane. And we releases the carbon dioxide, it will follow the same path, it will releases from there. Outer covering को हम plasma membrane कहते हैं, okay. Now it will follow the two processes, that is the diffusion and osmosis. Actually both processes are same. The things will goes from the higher concentration to the lower concentration to the lower concentration. How it goes? For example, if we are taking a bucket that is full of water, okay, and we are taking the another bucket, it is completely empty, then and we joined it through a pipe, what will happen? The water will ultimately goes from here to here, okay. Why? Because it is the property, it is the property of the water, it will goes from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, and up to when it will goes, until both the levels will become same, means this level and this level, it will become same, up to then the water will goes, okay. The same process it is happening in the case of cell. For example, the cell will take the oxygen, it will go through the plasma membrane, and what will here the oxygen is at higher concentration and it is at lower concentration here, so then it will goes from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Similarly, carbon dioxide, in the case of carbon dioxide, it is full of carbon dioxide then it will releases to the atmosphere, okay, and this is called the plasma membrane. Osmosis process is in case of water only, okay. The water case will be taken as osmosis. The water will goes from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Plasma membrane, it is only the outer covering of the cell which allows the entry and exit of the material. What material we are taking? For example, carbon dioxide we are releasing, oxygen we are taking, water we are taking, as well as we are releasing. So this material will goes from the plasma membrane of the cell, okay.